Hi, I'm Sienna.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Iona, and today we will be teaching you about engineering.
Engineering is the part of science and technology that has to do with how different things in our world work.
Engineering and solving problems is so much fun when you're working together with your family and friends.
There are many different types of engineering. Some examples are mechanical, chemical, and structural engineering.
Today we will be teaching you how to build a bridge out of popsicle sticks. That's an example of structural engineering.
You will need popsicle sticks and duct tape. Some optional materials are colored pencils, markers, stickers, and any other decorations you might like.
The first step is to build the base. To do this, you need to use popsicle sticks, duct tape, and scissors.
This is what the base will look like when you have finished.
Next, we will be making the sides. For this part, you need to get 3 popsicle sticks to form a triangle. Then you will connect it at the top. This is what it will look like when you're finished. Now we have to connect the sides to the base. Make sure the part with multiple popsicle sticks is on the outside.
Hey, what did the triangle say to the circle?
What?
You're pointless!
Ha ha, you're hilarious.
Okay, now back to the video. Now that we have finished building the bridge, we're going to decorate it.
Now we will be writing our names on the back. We hope you all enjoyed the video and learned a lot.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below as to what we should do next.
Thank you.
Bye!